In my opinion, here we have the most adaptable light fitting ever to be carried on an electrical installer's van. At Integral LED, our intention is to reinvent lighting for an LED age. With this, the Integral Multi-Fit Downlight, we have a universal light fitting that can be fixed to a cutout as small as 65mm, increasing to a size as large as 205mm. The unit can also be surface mounted to a wall or ceiling. It's all thanks to a uniquely designed configurable bracket and clip system that enables one fixture to span the width of any enclosure encountered at a refurbishment or new build, commercial or residential. The Multi-Fit Downlight is an ultra-thin design and has a contemporary low-profile form factor too. It is powered by just 18 watts via a flicker-free integrated driver and comes in a choice of warm and cool white, and outputs of 1440 and 1530 lumens respectively through an opal frosted diffuser for a uniform light. The Multi-Fit product has diffuser, light source and control gear all fitted below the ceiling line as referenced in this diagram. Therefore, the provision regarding the use of TPA or TPB do not apply, as stated in sections 3.11 of the building regulations. The Multi-Fit Downlight is the LED answer to any situation an installer will face on site, so be sure to have some on board.